All right, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back here to a new thing I'm going to be doing now. Is going to be my trades. I'm going to transition this channel over to kind of with trading my journey to becoming profitable. We have a fresh My Funded Futures eval account right here. I made 200 bucks on it, so pretty much fresh. Going to be only trading the S&P 500 E-mini futures. I thought about doing the micros. I really just don't see a point right now because I don't know. I'm just not the kind of person to take profits. I just go for kind of quick scalps. So sitting here on the daily yesterday, going into the day, my um bias was bullish, but we ended up filling this full daily fair value gap. And yesterday we dumped after we done that. So now we've had a break right here. So now I'm going with bearish from the 4 hour. And we're bullish on the hourly, but we have these highs right here that we could be wanting to take out. And there's also this fair value gap right here. We just filled. So it's about to hit 930. We're about to do, let's make sure on ES. Okay. All right. We go down to 15 minute and see if there's any highs need taken out. There are these highs right here with this hourly fair value gap that we took out. Okay. Swept those right there. All these down here, pre-market. These are from London though. These are London's highs right here. And then go down to the 5 minute. Okay, we got a pre-market high right here from 8:30. Excuse me. Okay. Perfectly tapped in that hourly fair value gap. Bad. And as soon as it hits 9:30, it may want to come back up and resweep these 1 minute highs right here. So I'm going to go ahead and mark those out. I'm going to go ahead and close these off. Okay. It does that and then dumps. That'll be a perfect entry as long as we have an imbalance and a break of structure. Okay, filled that hourly fair value gap completely. And it might want to come up and take out those hourly highs. So that's what we're gonna see if we get that or not. Go ahead and close that out. Okay. Filled that, swept these highs, dumping right now. No imbalance yet. Okay, I will keep you guys updated on the trade. Right, we ended up sweeping these highs right here. If we can get a break of structure right here with an imbalance, that'll be a trade I'll take. Excuse me. I'll probably end up targeting these lows right here or right here. I normally target the hourly lows, the main hourly low, but it is like nearly 100 ticks away. So I'm not going to go for a trade that far, but it normally, I'm not saying this, but it normally ends up targeting, if we're bearish, it will end up targeting the hourly lows for me. That's what I've had the most success with. But, as you guys can see from this fair value gap down to here is 85 ticks. So not going to be taking a trade that far. Let's see. I'm going to favorite this one actually and get it in my little task bar here. Yeah, it's kind of rejecting these lows right now. It might come back up and end up taking these hourly highs out for the day. If we enter a trade and it wants to do that, stops us out, then I'll wait and see if those get taken out for the day. And if not, then we won't take a second trade. All right. As you guys can see, we're getting this huge dump. Closes below these lows right here, that'd be even better. Obviously it's going to, but this is gonna be one huge imbalance. It could just continue dumping, and then, as ICT calls it, the evolving silver bullet But let's see here. Let's go ahead and start marking this one out. We can take it off the equilibrium of it if it's too large. Okay. We get the equilibrium. We could take the trade off that right there. Put the stop about, I don't want to put it all the way up there, but that wouldn't be too bad of an idea. I'm going to put it actually up here, 25 ticks. If you guys don't know, they go $12.50 a piece. So that'd be $312.50. And we can target a, let's see, we can go for that low right there, 47. Actually, this fair value gap got a lot smaller. So let's go ahead and enter the sell.
Order filled.
Over here. Got filled about right there. Actually, right there. Okay, we'll put our stop just right there. So buy 2 stop. Let's see how many ticks away this would be. 75. It's a little too far for my liking. All the way down there. As you can see, Trade of 8 kind of already marks it out. We can target, let's see. Oh, I meant to only do 1 contract. That was my bad. So we can actually take one of them off. We'll target this one and we'll take one of them off right there just to kind of secure some profits. So let's switch this to 1, buy 1, and then buy 1 there and there. See, if you guys wanted to, you could just let this trade completely run, get off your computer. The only thing I don't like about Trade of 8 is if it goes down and hits this one. Okay, if I'm away from the computer and it goes up and hits this, it will enter me in another one. It won't cancel these out. But if these both got hit and it come back up, it would enter me into 2 more buys. It doesn't cancel them out, which in my opinion is kind of stupid, but it is what it is. You got to be here anyway, so might as well. Okay. It's barely tapped into that fair value gap. I have a feeling it might want to retrace some more into that. So, but I mean, right now it's dumping. So let's see. If we get this 45 times 25, that would be $1,125. That would be, oh wait, no. If it hits this one, let's see how many ticks is that right there. 20. Okay, that's what normally I would go for on this. 20 times 1250 is 250, I believe. Yeah, it's 250. So this one will close us with 250 automatically, and we'll just let the other one run. We might as well even let it run all the way down to here. I think that might be the best course of action for us, because if we're going to go ahead and secure some profits, if we hit this, I mean, we may just go get stopped out, but I'm going to move this to right there, right before the low. And then if we hit this one, I may move my stop down a little bit to like right here and just get rid of some of that, because if we hit this one and it goes all the way back up, we'll actually be down for the day. We don't want that. So as soon as we hit this one, I'm going to move our stop to right there. I'll move it right there, right above that fair value gap. That is only if we hit this first target profit target. Yeah. Let's see. Still up 175. Not too bad. You have to make $3,000 on this account to pass, and then there's a $50 activation fee. But after that, I will only be going for 20 tick scalps. So like that for probably 2 contracts, maybe even just 1 contract. But 2 contracts, that would be $500. And it's not even about that. It's just, yeah, it'd be $500. Just quick trades that have more of a high probability than going all the way down here. I don't really see a point in taking too many profits through the day, because say like right here, we will be up $500. Okay, it literally was 1 tick away from getting us out of that 1 contract. It was probably up about $500 too. But gotta have some patience here. It took out these lows right here. I'm pretty confident in this trade. It's A plus setup for me, but we'll see how it turns out. You know, those don't always go to plan. We're getting a little retrace, only up 225 right now. Yeah, I had to make $3,000 on the account, so still got a long ways to go. I'm gonna kind of make this like a series of passing this. I did pass I think it was a 25K on Apex. I can't remember if it was a 25K or 100K static. It might have been 100K static actually, but I passed it in like a week. Took the first trade on it, made like $150 or something, and then I got a notification on my phone at like 10:36. I stopped trading at like 10:30 that day, and what had happened, my take profit was like right here. Just say it for it's like right here. I had another order, like what I was telling you guys earlier. If you don't cancel them, they'll stay on there. It entered me in and hit the drawdown because on the 100K statics on Apex, it's only $625 drawdown and the account's blown. So I just thought that was stupid. So I kind of switched over to My Funded Futures, and it has a end of day drawdown instead of a trailing drawdown per trade, like Apex, of 2,000 on the 50K account. You can get a 50K, 100K, and 150K. Right now they're $50 with all the evals. If you guys want to check them out. Yeah, still, it's kind of chopping away right here. I'd like to see this get taken out so we can go ahead and move our stop, and then just see how the rest of this trade plays out. So if we go from here to here with one contract, 54. Let's see what that would be. That would be $675. So we could get about a $800 day or something. 675 plus 250. Actually, no, 925. But just chopping around in this area right here. It could break above this and go ahead and stop us out. We can break it below this and just dump for the rest of the day. Honestly, you know, you never know. But we took out all the liquidity that I seen, and besides this hourly high, this was the closest, nearest draw on liquidity. So I took my trade off of that. Perfect fair value gap right here. Break below this, and these highs or these lows are right here. A plus setup for me, honestly. Perfect imbalance. Like I said, if it was like a large imbalance, let me find one. Like this one right here, I would have used the equilibrium tool on it and took the trade off of like the equilibrium, obviously. If you guys don't know what that is, it's pretty much the middle halfway point. You can see 0.5. You can set your GAN box up like this. That's how I have mine. And it actually works surprisingly well. Sometimes it'll just be one tick away from it. If you don't get in the trade, don't stress it. I mean, don't force trades. That's what I always say. So, oh, come on. We're one tick away again from getting out one contract. Okay. So, yeah, yesterday was a pretty rough day. I ended up losing about $1,000 on this account just because I was just taking way too many trades. I'm only going to limit myself to 2 trades per day now. Only if the first one is a loser, because normally if like this trade loses, it will just be a sweep of this and come back down. Sometimes that's not the case, but took like a big L yesterday. I'm not really sure what I was doing, and then I ended up in profit on the day, which is surprising, but thankful for that. Come on, let's just get out this one contract. We can move our stop. Like I said, I'm going to move it to, I'll put it right there at 5. If we can hit our first target right here. Just taking out these lows right here. It should be pretty easy. Sometimes these trades, like for 20 ticks, last 2 minutes. Sometimes they can last forever. Come on, we just need one more tick. Look at that. That's crazy. But it is what it is. I'm not going to close it or nothing. I'm just going to let it run. I'm I'm pretty confident that it'll end up breaking below this. If it can break below all this right here, then we should see a continuous downside dump, in my opinion. Let's look on the hourly. Like I said, the only liquidity down here is, you could probably say, this order block right here. I'm not really keen on trading order blocks. I always do fair value gaps and like liquidity sweeps and breakup structures and stuff. But we have this liquidity down here. That's the only thing I'm really seeing on the hourly. I like to look on the hourly. Okay, we're having a big push back up, but you know, nothing new. Like I said, we could go and draw down on this trade real soon, come back up, and might want to fill this fair value gap fully and then continue down or continue back up. Nobody knows. But yesterday I was watching a live of this guy trying to pass Apex accounts in one day. I honestly can't remember the name of his account. And he took a long on a position that I took short, the one that made me all the money back on this account. So I'm kind of curious to see how his account passing went in one day. But kind of made me feel good about my bias. I was bullish yesterday. I wanted to be bearish, but then I seen it. I took the first trade bullish, and I ended up getting stopped out. And then I kind of seen the market switch, like the structure shifting. So I took a short, and I took it. I might be able to find the move actually. I know I
Order filled.
Okay, hold on. I'm not really sure. Oh wait, that's the all right, so now we can move this to right here. 5057. Wait. 5775 right there. Okay. Yeah, so we closed that one out, $250 profit. Like I said, it could come out and stop us out now. And that would be a loss of $62 actually. Yeah, 62 bucks. So in the profit, like 100 some, close to $200. About 100 and what, that like $85 on the day. Not bad. Not trying to rush this account or nothing. I'm just trying to pass it. I have unlimited trading time on my funded futures, so it really doesn't matter. I'm glad we took out this low though. Secured a little bit of profit for the day. Let's see. Oh, only $237. My bad. Let's see what it was. Okay, so we must have got in a little lower than what we thought. Let's see what we got in at. 2056.25. Okay, yeah. So we got in right here. I'm actually going to move that dead even on top of that fair value gap, just to stay at 5 ticks. See, this is with one contract. I meant to only go in with one contract, but I kind of like the idea of scaling with two, taking quick partial profits and then letting the last one run. If you guys don't know, you can make very good bread with just one contract. As you can see, one contract from there to there, from 21 ticks is $250. Like I said, 20 ticks is $250. That's what I'll be going for. Once I actually pass this account, if I pass this account, just 20 ticks per day, 2 contracts. Unless I am just super confident that it is dumping in one direction, like everything lines up, and I don't like taking trades this far. So what we may end up doing, these lows right here, relatively equal lows, I'm actually going to move my last one up to, let's see, we'll put it on that low right there. That's 56, so oh yeah, already know. So let's see how much closer that would get us. 56 times 1250, that'd be 700 bucks. Would still be a good day. I don't really need any reason to squeeze out these extra like 20 ticks, 17 ticks. When I can just hopefully get to that real quick and easy. if we can get a break below this right here, that would give me even more confidence in this trade, in my opinion. It's just been really chopping. No candles really showed any break, but we never got a break to the upside either, so we're still bearish in my eyes here, but you never know. It could turn around really quickly, especially on the 1 minute. Really volatile. Okay, we're up 362. Okay, we're up almost. Yeah, if we can get on this, we would definitely be up over $1,000 on the account. If I would have took profits right there for both of them, it would have been, honestly not sure, probably $500. I honestly don't know, but I see no reason trading more than 2 contracts. On this, the profits over $1,500. You can trade a third one. I might do that just to try to pass the account quicker. Excuse me, but I have no reason to. If I can take good trades like this. Okay, we just got to break below this. Let's see, we're up 375. You guys can see it right here. I wish this one was green or red. It might be on a live account. I don't know, but I did put $100 into a live account. It said it was going to be there today, May 1st, but it's not. So I'll do like a small account challenge flip on that too, as well as with this account, trying to pass this. And if you guys don't know, you can also paper trade on Tradeovate and TradingView. Go in here, you set a market or limit. Let's do a limit order for, let's do a sell right here. Wait, I'm honestly not too familiar with this. You can paper trade on this. You can set the price right here. No, we don't want that. Oh, I'm still hitting the wrong one. You can hit a sell limit at, let's put it right there. Oh, well, set our take profit down here with that. Okay, we're in. See, if we were just in 2 contracts right now, you set a stop loss. Not gonna worry about it. Okay. Okay, we're pushing back up a little bit here. Yeah, paper trading on this is super easy. You can also, on My Funded Futures, pick which platform you want to trade on, and TradingView is one of them. So I'm not sure if it would be kind of like this right here. That honestly would not be bad at all. But I just really like Tradeovate. I've used it for a while now, since switching from Forex. I used to do Forex. Kind of found a lot more interest in futures the past couple months. So I'm going to stick to futures. I like how easier, I feel like the markets are easier to read in my opinion, especially these E-mini S&P 500 futures. That's all I've traded so far. I haven't even looked at NQ one time. I thought about the micros and doing 10 or 20 contracts and scaling, but I don't think I'm going to do that, just for the simple reason I only trade 1 or 2 contracts, and like I can do what I've done here. No big deal for me, honestly. But oh, I'm on the 5 minute over here. I was wondering why these look different. I forgot I'm on the 5 minute. Oh, okay. Okay, just hit 10 o'clock. We might have had news come out. Let's look up Forex Factory calendar. Let's see, 10 o'clock. Oh yeah. Okay. We got that. Looks like it came out bullish, but I honestly can't tell. Should we go ahead and close this trade? I say we do.
Order filled.
Okay. Oh, we shouldn't have closed the trade, guys. That would have been a huge gain for us right there. Okay. Now I need to go down here and cancel. I think when you hit this, it cancels all of them. Cancel all. Yeah, okay. All right. Yep. So pretty good day. $578. I'm going to go ahead and actually put this. Where'd I get out at? I got out way too early. 505625. 505. What? 504925. 4925. Okay. Right there. So we caught 28 ticks. There's absolutely nothing wrong with that. Just in case this wants to reverse on us and hit our stop loss like we was there, then it would have been all worth it for the day. No point in rushing things or doing unnecessary things. I didn't even look at this earlier, see when news was coming out, but I'm glad I did. I need to start looking. Let's see, for tomorrow, 10 a.m. we got some pre-market high impact news, but that's it. And then we have some on Friday. But that's going to be the trade for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. We're up 781 on the account now, out of 3,000, so about $2,200 more to go. But if we keep trading like this, I have no time to go. Hopefully tomorrow we can catch a more volatile move with no news happening. See, there's a little bit at 10 o'clock, but it shouldn't move the market, impact the market any. Yeah, great trade today. This is like an A+ setup for me, guys. If you guys want to know my strategy, you guys watch TJR Trades. It's pretty much his strat. I didn't know that he actually switched over to futures until recently. I'd seen where he'd been looking at the ES chart, but I didn't know that he actually fully switched over to futures. But yeah, had a sweep of these. I don't know if you consider this pre-market, but swept this 930 high right here. Filled this full hourly imbalance. Come down, broke structure right here. Formed a imbalance right here. I mean, you guys can see how well it rejected that. Just tapped into it, boom, all the way down. That's like a perfect entry for me. I kind of got in a little late. It happened super quick. As soon as this candle closed, it just tapped us in, or tapped into that, and then I didn't even have time to set a sell limit right there. You can also do it on this, but I prefer just using the chart. Yeah, that's going to be it for today's video, today's trade. If you guys want to keep updated on this account and how it's going, just subscribe and let me know down below if you guys want to see anything else about trading, and peace out.